Hello everybody! It's been a long time since I made a LP video, but the first one I got, this Glass Tiger thin red line. I'll sneak on a little bit of audio. Maybe Neil will let this slip by. So it doesn't get any more 80s than this. It's probably all Neil will let us get away with. Let's see what we got here. Yep. Talk about dirty volume controls. I'm going to have to probably clean that again. And then the next one I found was Prince and the Revolution Parade. And we'll check out this one just right quick. And that's probably all we can get away with. Maybe pushing the envelope right there. Too bad it isn't the Wild Wild West where we could demonstrate our vintage audio equipment like we once did. But this is still working fine. Controls need to be cleaned a little bit once again after 15, 16 years. But so once again to my latest record finds, thank you for watching.